So you're looking for a large warehouse or workshop space somewhere in the Smoky Mountains. Plenty of room, good sized yard, good drive, lots of parking, great access, and real easy for all your employees to get to. Well, I'm Randy Bable, principal broker of 10 commercial properties, and I'm here at 3319 Cosby Highway in Cosby, right across the street from the school, and I think I've got the place for you. Check it out. This 2.6 acre unzoned property on Highway 321 offers unmatched flexibility and endless potential for your business or commercial investment portfolio. Now at over 7,000 square feet in size, this building could be a little bit too big for your needs, but what a great opportunity to throw some partition walls up and lease out some of this extra space to some other business owners and recoup some of that money you spent on the property. With efficiency being the key to any business, this warehouse is equipped with a commercial air compressor pipe throughout the building and a powerful 400 amp 240 volt electrical system ready to handle most any commercial power need. There's 3 oversized roller doors for seamless loading and unloading. A spacious air-conditioned office area, an alarm system, and even a full bathroom with a shower. And there's even a storage container in the yard for that extra storage, or even if you want to make that into an extra workspace. Now what's great about this property isn't just a 7,000 square foot building, but also the huge yard that comes with it. And what about this space here? From the road all the way back to the property, you have all this extended land right here that you can use for all kinds of stuff. Now this really is a great commercial property that you can set up basically any time of business here in Cocke County. For more information, I've set up a website right down here below, or just pick up the phone and give me a call. All my details are right here below as well. I'm Randy Bale, principal broker of 10 commercial properties. This is a great spot, great for any commercial business, and I hope we can make it yours just by giving me a call. Look forward to hearing from you.